Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back to all the returning subscribers and viewers. So as you can see from the title down below, in today's video we'll be doing a quick and easy well, it's not really quick, but it's quite easy protective hairstyle, and that's box braids. So I have already washed and moisturized my hair off camera, and here I am blow drying just to get it straightened a bit and dried, of course. Alright, so I am going through the comb after blow drying, as I just like to go through with a comb, a regular comb, and just comb through the hair. Not a promotion, but I do like using the dandruff ease on the scalp when I'm braiding, or just a regular wash day, because I find that it helps with like itching and so forth, especially when I'm having braids. I'm here now using some wax just to secure the edges, get those baby hairs laid, which I pretty much don't have much at this point. Okay, so when you're securing the hair that you've parted in the rubber band, ensure that you don't pull any other hair from outside of the part. That's very important, because you don't want to pull on any other hair and then it gets tight and then it messes up your part that you've made. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to blow it out and wrap it in one, and then we're going to start braiding. I'm using the triple pack nappy Annie. We're going to just secure, and then we pull them in singles to braid. So here it is. And we're going to use these as is. Start off by gently wrapping the hair around your own secured hair. Ensure that the elastic band is covered with braid. Well, that's what I like to do. I like to ensure that the elastic band is covered with the braid. Here you just section the hair into 3 equal parts after you've gone ahead and wrapped it around. And what I'm doing here is I am securing my natural hair within the braid. So while it's being braided and after it's braided, you don't have the natural hair protruding through the braids, because that can look really messy, especially when the braid has become a little bit worn. Yes, and you don't want to trim your natural hair just to get a style, because that can in turn damage your natural hair ends as well and leave them looking all trashy. This is where I am so far. Alright, so here it is. I need need to get it hot watered. It's now night time, so I'm going to do that in the morning. Reason being, I don't want to have to get the bed wet, and it's not a matter of urgency at this point. So for the most part, we're finished. I haven't even really, as you can see, it's still loose. I just decided to wrap it up a little. Let me secure that a little bit tighter. And this is what it's looking like at the moment. Yeah. How did I do?